Hey, this is Eric with LED Grow Lights Depot. Just wanted to give you a quick 1-minute peek of the new Chilled Logic 660 LED grow light. I'll be doing a full review and unboxing on this light in the near future. The light is available now. I really like this light and think Chilled LED did a great job in its design. It's lightweight, passively cooled, built with high quality parts, and has a remote 660 watt mean wall driver that can be mounted outside your grow tent or grow room to help keep the heat down in your grow space. The light is full spectrum and comes with Logic V3 LED boards stamped with Samsung and Osram chips. It has a telescopic design that allows you to grow in a 4x4 to 5x5 space. The fixture is fully dimmable and is around 2.4 micromoles per joule at full power. Expect around 1,585 micromoles per second of light output, 3-year manufacturer's warranty. So check out ledgrowlightsdepot.com or Chilled LED Grow Lights to learn more about this fixture or purchase it. Link in the description, and subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on Instagram. See you guys soon.